Good morning, my name's Steven and welcome aboard Allure of the Seas. We're here in cabin 8703 in a Boardwalk Balcony. Yes, Oasis class has a unique thing where they have balconies facing towards the inside of the ship, and today we're on the boardwalk. Let's go ahead and start this magnificent room tour. As always, I love to start the room tours here at the front of the room where we can find our safety briefing information. In case of an emergency, you know what to do. Over here, there's a magnet for you to let your room steward know whether to disturb you or to clean your room. Just a little important information right there. And then behind us is the bathroom. Look at that. This is the standard Royal Caribbean bathroom. On the right, we have the shower, which opens up to a round shower in a way. You have soap, which is an all-in-one, isn't the best thing. Hair and body wash, I don't like it. I'm not a big fan of it. So that's why I do try to bring my own one on Royal Caribbean. Standard shower setup. Actually, not a bad shower head. You could put some of the things that you brought yourself. As far as size is concerned, I am average height at 5'8", so there's enough room for me. If you're taller, maybe not, but actually there's quite a bit of room. I feel really short in this shower. Some showers I feel really tall in. This one, I'm feeling a little short. Anyways, toilet, sink, trash can down there. There's some soap. They give it to you. Bar soap to wash your hands in a little dish, which is really nice. Cups for you to use, some shelving, and that's kind of all the storage space you have except for down there. Not that much storage in the bathroom, but there's still plenty of storage in this room. Let's go ahead and get out of the bathroom. So right outside the bathroom, you have your thermostat where you have an old-fashioned control of the AC unit. Here's a master switch, so instead of putting in a card, you can just switch this on and off. I like that so much better. This controls the lights. Also, that's how you control the lights for the bathroom. So if you have a really mean roommate, just turn the bathroom lights off of them. They'll be really angry at you. Nice full body mirror for you to go ahead and look at yourself if that's what you like doing. Then here is where the closet space is. Whoa, I didn't mean to slam that hard. Standard safe. We've already started putting some of our stuff away, but plenty of shelves for you to work with. Then over on the left, which we're gonna have to close this. I don't like the sliding doors as much. I mean, you can't have access to the full closet, which is kind of annoying, but whatever. They have hangers for you, an extra pull-down bar in case you want more. Now, just remember, you can always request from your room steward for more hangers. You just gotta let them know, and they'll be happy to bring you more. I always feel like the amount that we have in the cabin is usually enough, especially since we're only on a 7-day sailing. Allure of the Seas only does week-long cruises, and eventually we'll only be doing 3- and 4-night cruises as well. So there's really not that much you're gonna need to hang up on some of those shorter sailings. So I think the amount of hangers we have are perfect. Now, right in front of the closet, you can find a nice, comfortable couch to sit on, relax, and watch some TV. I will say that's probably one of the nicer couches that we've seen. The TV is actually quite bigger than some of the older ships on Royal Caribbean's fleet, but the thing that I don't like about it, there is an iHome station. I don't know why they have these. Like back in 2010 when this ship came out, that was pretty innovative, but it's the chargers for like the old iPhones and iPods. So unless if you're like throwbacking and you have one of those, it does not have the new charger. So that's, as far as I'm concerned, a clock. An oversized clock taking up desk space, but whatever. Below here is your little mini fridge. Comes empty for you to store whatever you want in there. Maybe a drink, maybe food that you bring from the main dining room, whatever. Drawers where we're keeping some information. That's also where you keep some tissues as well. Over on the left of the mirror, there is just an extra little cabinet for you to open up and store stuff. So then the nice thing is there is a chair, kind of a desk space to work with, but also a vanity at the same time. So if you want to look in the mirror, get your makeup done, there is a light for you that does turn on. It is a bit of an older light, doesn't look the most beautiful. It's an orange tint, ugh. But there is it's there for you if you want to work with it. Down below you can find your plugs. It does come with 3 outlets for you to plug into, which is nice, though they are kind of close together. So if you have a bigger plug to plug in, you might want to put it on the right and left, and then which basically just means that you have 2 anyways. So kind of a plus, kind of a negative, depends on how you work with it. Now to the main attraction, the bed. I always feel like the bed is the best part of the room. Usually really important to look at it. Royal Caribbean does have king size beds when they're put together, or they split up into 2 twins. Right now they're together. If you watch my vlog about Allure of the Seas, you'll see the bed end up getting split because I'm here with my father, who is out and about doing his own thing. Over there is the phone. There's some night lights for you to work with if you want to read at the end of the evening. Then over here, just past the bed, is the Boardwalk Balcony. Let's go ahead and get out there. Now, just the first thing to note, it doesn't have the deck chairs I'm used to, like the ones you can lay back in and kind of adjust the angle that you sit in. It's just standard chairs to sit in, but it does have a really nice table, because sometimes some of the balconies have really miniature tables. This one's a real table. You can go sit and dine on your balcony. I like that a lot. And just a quick view of the boardwalk. Now, we are only the 4th balcony down, so we get a perfect view of the top of the carousel. Not exactly the best view in the world, but it does have its benefits because we're not that far away from the elevators, though I would recommend, if you want to see the Aqua Theater show, this cabin is not it, because there is lots of balconies you can see right on down the way, and the theater is quite far. Overall though, I think the Boardwalk Balcony is quite a good room because it's not as expensive as an ocean view room, but it's a little bit better than seeing nothing because you do get to see the tail end of the ship and some of the wake depending on the height and where you are in relation to the boardwalk. But if you want to come aboard on Allure of the Seas or any other Oasis class ships in a Boardwalk Balcony or any balcony, feel free to check out my website, goodmorningadventure.com, where I can help you book your next cruise vacation and I can answer any questions that you have about staying in one of these cabins. I will be delighted to help. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the room tour. Hope you got to see everything that you want about the room. And check out our full vlog series aboard the Allure of the Seas, where I vlog all 7 days. Thank you so much for watching. As always, this isn't a goodbye, but just a see you real soon.